My name is Conrad and Kayden, and I'm the co-owner and operator of Current Farms. My brother and I filed for our LLC in 2018, and ever since then we have been growing food for our community. Whenever we started out, we were a ranch, and so we sold eggs, we had a small hatchery, and then we did turkeys for Thanksgiving. Whenever we started farming full-time, we switched to growing vegetables, and we also have a small orchard that we started. I really have a passion for environmentalism and conservation, and also doing what I can to promote biodiversity, having a certain stewardship involved with the land. A lot of it goes back also to just how important I think it is for the local economy, the local health of our community, for people to have access to really nutritious, nutrient-dense, fresh food. Because here, we're in Marion and Union Parish, and there's a Dollar General that's the nearest grocery store, or you could drive 20 or 30 miles to Farmerville to buy your groceries. And so I knew that there weren't a whole lot of vegetable options. And then whenever I did a little bit more research, I realized that even though 99% of all of the farms in Union Parish are family-owned, only 4% of those farms sell directly to the consumer. So there's this really big gap where there's these family farms who aren't feeding families in their own community. And so I really wanted to try to be a pillar and a beacon here for any of the local folks. And I really wanted to make my community not only a little more economically prosperous, but I wanted to improve the health over time of local folks who live here. Put 2 bins on the cart. We got 60 pounds of cucumbers going out this week. It's crazy. Double cucumbers, a share after my own heart. And double salad, man.
All right, you got that one done?
Rainbow Ranch. I just think that it's so important for folks to have a relationship with who is growing their food, to know where their food is coming from. And I just think that it is the most important thing to reclaim part of our culture in Louisiana. My Uncle Richard, he used to run cattle. And so that's what this place was before my mom and dad got it. It was cattle pastures. But no, it's been cleared almost my whole life. So I really would love to bring more trees back here. So that's one of the plans is once we get all of our field blocks established, we're still building new ones, then we can get our road. I can fill in all of that extra space in between the road and our field blocks with diverse planting of fruit trees, which is the retirement plan. Growing food for myself, my family, my friends, and my neighbors, like that's really what keeps me going. That's what keeps me here. If we're 10 or 12 hours into our work day, like I can just think about all the people that are depending on us for their groceries that week, and that's what gets me through. That's the motivation, the main driver for every bit of hard work that we do, every extra mile that we go to try to grow the best vegetables that people can have access to.